Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and let me show you how to locate IMEI number assigned to this tab. So you've got two options. The first one is to open your phone dialer and enter a secret code which is *pound, 06 pound. And as you can see here, we've got device information with both IMEI numbers included. Let me go back. And let's just rotate the screen again. Or if somehow the code is not working, you can also find IMEI via settings. To do it, you have to open the settings, then find and select About Tablet. And here you've got both IMEI numbers. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.